Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. All right, so I've got the new bearing going in. I had to do a little finagling with my press. It's long enough, but as you can see, this cross brace was getting in the way of the axle shaft and it would cause it to slip to the side. So I just unbolted it, twisted it down, bolted it back up temporarily. So now this is no longer sitting in the center. And remember, bearing retainer plate has to go on first. If you leave that off, you're gonna have to rip your bearings off again, and that would be a pain. So bearing retainer plate goes on first, cup goes towards the bearing, and then the bearing, you put some grease on the shaft. I've got it captured in the press plates. Now, you can see this, you wanna press against this upper piece. This is the inner shaft that rides on the axle. This is the bearing. You don't want to press on this because you're going to rip it off of the ID shaft. So just remember that. Make sure it's captured in the right place whenever you're pressing bearings. So I'm just going to start pushing it down. It's going in nicely. Very little effort. It's going on. Make sure we don't get anything in the way. We're gonna press this all the way down until it bottoms on the shaft. Is my shaft on the ground? No. It looks like it's just about, oh, shoot, I hit the axle retainer. Back that off a little. Sorry, I got one hand here. Where is it? Okay. I got this stuck on here. All right, you get the idea. It's coming together. And then there's the retaining collar that goes on after this. I've got that in my little toaster oven heating up. I find if I could have a solid metal part that needs to be pressed on, you can heat it up in the toaster for a while, and that makes a big difference. So I'll be back. Okay, bearing went on nicely. Got it bottomed out against the shaft there. And I'll go get my retaining ring and see if I can do the same. I'll be back. Okay, I just grabbed the retaining ring out of the toaster. It was in there for about 25 minutes or so on high, so about 400 degrees. I dropped it on there with a set of pliers. Now I'm pressing it on. Again, it's captured in my press plates. It goes on harder than the bearing, but it's still not even that much difficulty to push. Feel it going on. And again, we're gonna wanna bottom it right on the bearing inner diameter there. There, and that's it. It's on. Back that off. I need new press springs. They're not going up very fast, but yeah, this good old press. Another job well done. Barely fit, as you can see. But yeah, it worked. And the bearing is so nice and smooth compared to the old one. And even the good axle that wasn't making any noise, I'm gonna go and repair that one because the bearing's not bad, but it does have a slight wobble. And this thing has like zero. This is like nice and perfect. So I'll be doing the other side. I'm also gonna be doing the wheel seals because, you know, why not? They seem to be leaking a little bit anyway, and while they're out, I might as well do them. So I'll do another video on those. All right, till next time, take care.